Every once in a while you get one of those moods, you start doing mashup recipes and all of a sudden you get a stroke of genius. I feel like I had one of those with this recipe today. This video I want to show you guys how to make bacon wrapped beer battered deep fried pickles. The flavor game is insane. You guys are gonna love it. Let's jump right into the video. First thing we need to do is get to our pickles. Today I'm using large dill pickles, but feel free to use whatever flavor pickle that you like. Just make sure they're the large, whole, full-size pickles. We're gonna take a thick slice of bacon and wrap it all the way around the pickle from top to bottom. We're gonna do it to both of them. We're also gonna take a toothpick just to secure the bacon in place while we fry it. That's right, we're deep frying it today. I'm on my Blackstone Griddle range top, and we're gonna deep fry these things. They're gonna be delicious. So once these are wrapped and toothpicked, we're gonna drop them down into 365-degree vegetable oil. We're gonna cook these for 3 to 4 minutes or until the bacon is nice and crispy. We're gonna pull them out and let them, some of that excess oil drain on some paper towel. Now let's get to our beer batter. This is really simple, and if you've never made one before, get ready to live, because beer batter could possibly change your life. So we're gonna add some flour to a big bowl. We're gonna add some salt, a little bit of pepper. We're also gonna add some garlic salt and some smoked paprika. Now you wanna flavor your flour before adding your liquid, just to make sure you mix all of those ingredients evenly. Now we're gonna add some beer and mix it up until it is a nice thick consistency. Now we're gonna take the toothpicks out of our pickles and pop them right into our batter, toss them around so they're nice and evenly coated. Now before you drop these in the fryer, be sure to use some tongs and kind of let some of the excess batter run off, and then you're gonna put them in our oil. Now this is our second fry, so we're talking extra double crispiness. This is amazing. We're gonna let these cook until it's nice and golden, about 3-4 minutes or so, and we're all done. Bring them over to your cutting board, give them a slice. Today I'm serving them with a little bit of ranch dressing. Feel free to serve them with whatever you like in your fried pickles. These, my friends, are crazy simple, crazy good, and you can make a ton of them for your next backyard party. You know, a fried pickle dipped in ranch, I can't think of too many things better, except that it's bacon wrapped and fried. These things are amazing. They're crispy and delicious all day long. You can't go wrong. I hope you guys love that recipe as much as I do. It's fun, it's a mashup, it's delicious and wonderful. It has pretty much everything that I love: bacon and pickles and beer batter. So if you guys want this recipe and a ton more, go to blackstoneproducts.com. I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy, and I'll see you guys in the next video.